to address the opposition. आपका ऑपोजिशन रहेगा तो हम लोग भी ऑनेस्ट और सतर्क रहेंगे. एंड आई थिंक ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन, द वे हम लोग अपने आप को कंडक्ट करते हैं PTADC में, हमको स्टेट से बहुत चीज सीखना है. बट आई थिंक द वे वी the opposition and us, we work here, especially with the honorable leader of the opposition. I must admit that this is the best way democracy can flourish, and I appreciate the concerns. अभी चाकमा बाबू ने बात किया आधिकारिक शिव मंदिर. I think जहां पे लोग पहले से जा रहे हैं, I think we should develop them as tourism sites. मैं in fact I got late today because मैं आज 14 देवता मंदिर में था. हमारे एरिया जो मंदिर है, ट्रेडिशनल एरियाज है, मंदिर में एनक्रोचमेंट हो रहा है, और कुछ चीज जहां में डेवलपमेंट हो, सजेशंस हो. I have seen this from every member of the opposition. आपका suggestions most of the time constructive raha hai, and I appreciate that. Whether it was inclusion of village council outside ADC by Vidyut Departma, whenever Mr. Chakma Babu has spoken, he's always spoken very nicely. Everyone. Our biggest challenge in budget हमेशा रहता है कि our biggest challenge is that our budget is passed but never approved by the respective state governments. State government itself has its own problem. और हमारा जो टिप्रासा अकॉर्ड है ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन साहब, उसमें मैंने इसको एड्रेस करने की कोशिश की. फॉर द लास्ट 1 year 6 राउंड्स ऑफ मीटिंग्स हो चुका है, और फाइनेंशियल फंडिंग के लिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से हमने और उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव से हमने कई बार बात किया. फंडिंग रिमेन्स अ वेरी बिग कंसर्न. जस्ट नाउ ऑनरेबल EM कमल कोलॉय सेड दैट एजेंसी. आई थिंक यहां में वी हैव द लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन, द मेंबर्स फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिशन एंड फ्रॉम द पार्टी व्हिच इज रूलिंग राइट नाउ. We can never become an agency, because agency people are hired. We are voted to office. We have not been hired. We have been elected. And when we become elected, we are answerable to the people who have voted for us. So while many people may say that TTADC is an agency, we are a government which has been elected by the people. Unfortunately, the attitude has been never to take the TTADC seriously. It is not from now. It was there during the government of the left, during. Where will you give jobs from? If we have a hotel management institute, our boys and girls can get training there, and then they will be employed. So when we say that we are opening hotels, restaurants, tourism activities, you need qualified, skilled manpower to employ them. Today, if Taj is opening a hotel, they need to set up a hotel management skill center. Otherwise, again, the employees will come from outside. Our hospitals, we have, as EM Kamal Korai Health has said, हमारे हॉस्पिटल्स में स्टाफ के शॉर्टेज है, लेकिन हम लोग एम्प्लॉइज को सैलरी नहीं दे सकते. एडीसी नहीं, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. We are conducting a seminar and I would request चाकमा बाबू आप भी अटेंड कीजिए हमारे साथ। आज अगर हम लोग त्रिपुरा में नौकरी नहीं दे सकते हैं, जापान 35% of Japan's population is above 60 years old. It's an aging population. उनको हेल्थ केयर नर्सेस का दरकार है, मेल एंड फीमेल। टुडे अगर हमने ये MOU किया है एंड वी कैन गिव 50, 70, 100 nurses a chance to get jobs in countries like Japan. After accommodation, fooding, lodging, an average nurse will get 1.5 lakh to 2 lakhs. Economy of a state is not necessarily developed in the state. Today, if you go to Punjab, maximum money of Punjab comes from people who are working outside in Canada and England. They are working there, they are sending money back to Punjab. If you look at Kerala, maximum Malayalis are working in Dubai, Bahrain, Muscat, Oman, Qatar. They are earning lakhs and lakhs of money and sending money back to the country. Today also, if you notice, a lot of Tiprasas are working outside, doing very well for themselves and sending money back to their homes in villages. But if we have to make these Tiprasas and people of Tripura by and large capable of getting jobs, we have to give them proper schools, proper language communications, education, proper skill set. And for that, TTADC has been repeatedly going and giving projects to the government of Tripura to be sent to Delhi. एक त्रिपुरा श्रेष्ठ त्रिपुरा ADC को छोड़कर नहीं बन सकता. You cannot create a Tripura by ignoring the ADC areas. Sometimes some of the leaders have an attitude that ADC, asking only for ADC means we are being selfish. Some people say that newspapers say that we are being, I have read in newspapers that we are being communal, Sampradayak is the word. But let me tell you, when projects come, and 90% of the projects which have come in the last 30, 40 years, they have come to Agartala. Have we called the people of Agartala Sampradayak? Selfish? No. If today ADC is not only about tribals, we have a significant Bengali population, Muslim population, Manipuri population living in the ADC areas. So when we are speaking for ADC, we are also speaking for every citizen who are living in ADC areas. I'm very happy that our opposition is also appreciating what I'm saying. I hope you appreciate what I'm saying, Honorable Chairman. I'm speaking through you. ADC was not created for no reason at all. It was created to address the people who are staying in rural part of Tripura, their pain, their aspiration. I have Sharendranath ji here from Kanchanpur. He's from an open seat. The money which comes to his constituency is nothing. Just next to Kanchanpur, you'll have Kailash Shahar. The money which will come there is far more outside non-ADC area than ADC area. Shailendra Ji is suffering because of this difference in funding. If you just go here, outside Kumulu, and nobody is complaining, we are not saying why. You go to Jilania, National Highway, everything. Just half a kilometer is Kumulum, but all the money which is put in hospitals, transport bhavan, even if the airport comes, that side. So why your Eklavya school, which is supposed to come up for the benefit of Tiprasa tribal indigenous students, quite a few of them are outside ADC areas. So these are questions. Today, you want to promote tourism? Absolutely, we should promote tourism. Agartala needs to be also developed. I'm all for it. But where are you going to get the people who are going to benefit from tourism? Kamal Koloi, the Honorable Ian, said that tourism is very important. You know why tourism is important? वो नौकरी दिलवाते। आज कोई कलकत्ता में पैसा कमाता है, बॉम्बे में पैसा कमाता है, गुवाहाटी में पैसा कमाता है, बैंगलोर में पैसा कमाता है, 11 महीना, साल में 1 महीना छुट्टी के लिए वो सिक्किम जाता है, वो मेघालय जाता है, और जो पैसा 11 महीना में उन्होंने बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता, गुवाहाटी में कमाया, वो चेरापूंजी में खर्च करता है, गैंगटॉक में खर्चा करता है, और जो गैंगटॉक में काम करता है, जो चेरापूंजी में काम करता है, वो लोकल है, कोई बाहर का नहीं है। हमारा परिस्थिति देखिए, ऑल ऑफ अस, अभी गर्मी आएगा, पूजा के टाइम आएगा, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पूजा, 11 महीना हमने यहां में पैसा कमाया, ड्यूरिंग पूजास, ड्यूरिंग क्रिसमस, समर वेकेशन, सब लोग विल गो आउटसाइड, money from Tripura will go outside. So we have to think about creating tourism. Dumbur, one of the finest places, but there are no connectivity. Matabari is a Shakti Peeth. You know, Jagma Babu में on a lighter note, Honorable Chairman साहब, जब कोई ट्वीट करता है पॉलिटिशियन लोग, जिसका भी जन्मदिन हो, आसाम का मुख्यमंत्री का हो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का हो, कोई भी बड़ा सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर का हो, जन्मदिन का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, आशीर्वाद देगा। हमने माँ त्रिपुरा सुंदरी का क्या किया? अयोध्या इनिशिएटिव टेकन, टाइम टू टाइम हम लोग मिलते हैं, आज भी 14 देवता के वहां से ही हम लोग, आई हैव टेकन द इनिशिएटिव because to revive our history, to revive our culture is not to revive the history of one family. I am not trying to revive the family of the Maharajas. I am trying to revive the history and identity of the state of Tripura and the Tiprasa people who live here. Now if nephew Rio tries to revive the Naga history, he is called a proud Naga. If in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee tries to revive the Bangla history, Swami Vivekananda ho ya Rabindranath Tagore ho, then she is called a proud Ma Mati Manush Bengali. If in Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal or Gogoi ji or Hemanta Biswa Sharma wants to revive Kamakhya, Tolatol Ghar, Ranghar, Sip Sagar, Mida, Mithi, their traditional festival, they are called proud Assamese Ahoms. Here we try to revive our culture, whether it is Guisu, whether it is Daria, whether it is Tring, whether it is any of our traditional festivals. Then we are called, अरे ये तो पैसा बर्बाद कर रहा है. Because somebody is unfamiliar with a tradition does not mean that we will stop trying and giving up. So today, this budget speaks about our aspiration, हमारा आशा क्या है, हम क्या करना चाहते हैं. पिछले बहुत सालों से, not even during before Ipra Matha came to power, even when Radhacharan was here, even when Harinath Debbarma was here, even when we had Debabrata Koloi, we have presented budgets. Many times we have presented budgets. Every time, budget, good or bad, we have tried to, what was inside our heart, we have tried to tell that to the state government. This is what we want to do. Most of the time, this is what is happening. Because some people think our priorities is not their priorities. And I hope that in our Tiprasa court and by the grace of God in this current dispensation which is there in Agartala, they try to understand the sentiment of our people, the hopes of our people, the dreams, the aspirations of our people. Otherwise, if you want to keep people poor, if you want to keep people uneducated, if you want to keep people the way they are, then obviously we have been elected by the people. Next year is elections. People will not vote for us. But the people, because now there is live telecast of these sessions, I hope the people जिन्होंने हमें वोट किया वो भी समझेंगे कि हमने कोशिश किया, ऑपोजिशन ने कोशिश किया, लेकिन अंत में पैसे देने वाला कोई और है. और जब तक आप हमें बंदूक देंगे और बंदूक के अंदर गोली नहीं होगा, वो बंदूक का कोई फायदा नहीं. This year I am very happy with the budget. It is a realistic budget. 60% of the money has been allocated for development. We are not an employment agency. Our job is not to only employ people. Our job is to also bring in development. Now, most of the employees have been employed much before we came to power, much before opposition also got elected. That is something that we have brought forward from the past. But if the government, the central government and the state government can give us funds so that we can bring in development, bring in employment through self-generation, give chance to our people to compete with students from different parts of the Northeast, then एक त्रिपुरा श्रेष्ठ त्रिपुरा बनेगी. If the government feels that ADC is not capable, then the government should write to the government of India and scrap TTADC. But don't cosmetically keep TTADC alive. Don't keep us alive but give us limited oxygen. One day, a very senior leader whom I know for a very long time, Vidyut, he had once said, we are deprived of oxygen. Chakma Babu, we are all deprived of oxygen. And oxygen is not only money. We are deprived when we present something. Elected people like us, we present something, and then our bills are sent. They remain in Raj Bhavan. They're not even sent back. Projects are sent. We don't know what happens to the projects. And then we hold our heads in shame in front of our own people. There are many things that we can learn from the rest of India, but I'm very happy and I support this budget. In support of this budget, I want to also, I don't know how many times we will be interacting, but हमारे बाद भी गवर्नमेंट आएगा, हमारे बाद भी ऑपोजिशन रहेगा, लेकिन मैं उनको भी एक लेगेसी छोड़ के जाना चाहता हूं. आई वांट देम टू आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड हमारा जो यहां में इंटरेक्शन हुआ पहले से अभी तक, आई थिंक स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कैन आल्सो की प्रशा से कुछ सीख सकते हैं वो लोग कि हम लोग ने कितने अच्छे तरीके से एक दूसरे के कभी कभी ओपोज भी किया है, झगड़े भी हैं, लेकिन बदतमीजी हमने कभी भी एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं की. आई थिंक आप भी अपने आप को कभी कभी थोड़ा दे लीजिए, चाचा बाबू आप लोग भी दे लीजिए. दिस इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट फ्रॉम माय साइड. आई थिंक मीडिया इज वॉचिंग अस एंड आई थिंक हम बहुत चीज सीखेंगे. वी लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम एवरीवन, but I think they can learn a few things from us. I think we are good, proud people who love each other. We have been divided by parties, but the pain of everyone in this house, in the opposition and in here, is the same. And you have referred to me with respect. I also refer to you with respect. We have no agenda. Our only agenda is to give dignity